Hi there, happy August 5th. It's Samantha coming to you live from my treatment room. Today I have another great skin tip that was sent in by another client. So thank you guys so much for sending in questions because I love answering this. This is a lot of fun and you're actually making me think and do some research. So it's been fun. I've really enjoyed having to answer your questions. So please keep sending in questions that you have. Also remember, the more questions you send in, the more chances you have to win either a free facial or free product. So let's get to the tips so we're not on here forever today. Today, the other question that got sent in was, when I go shopping in a beauty store or in a department store, how do I know which products to choose? I get overwhelmed and I don't know what to choose. And I get asked this question a lot, especially with people online that have watched my videos or that know about me or have seen me on Instagram or Facebook. They ask me this a lot. First of all, I'm going to say don't buy anything over the counter. Don't buy anything in these department stores because the girls that are selling you products, they're sales girls. They really have no skin education. Some of them might be an esthetician, but really they're basically selling the products and they're just trying to make more money off of you. So unfortunately, what you're buying is the name. You're not buying the quality. Almost every single product that you buy in a department store or in Ulta, Sephora, they're basically all the same product. They have the same filler. They have the same crap. They have the same base and alcohol. A lot of them have alcohol. Even acne products have stuff to clog your pores because they want you to keep buying it. So you're really not getting a quality product. So for that, I would suggest seeking out an esthetician and finding somebody that's trained in the skin and make a skincare consultation, bring in all your products, tell them your skin concerns, and make sure that what you're getting is going to be working for you. Skincare should be customized. It shouldn't be a one-line fits all because something that's meant for dry skin, the whole line will probably not work for your skin. Same thing with acne. Acne is designed for somebody who's super oily and has clogged pores. But if you're an adult that's got dry skin and you're suffering from acne and you're putting an acne line on your skin, all you're doing is stripping your skin of oil and you're gonna make it worse. You're not gonna help the situation and your skin's gonna become even more dry than it already was. So having an esthetician customize your skincare routine means you can treat the acne and treat the dryness at the same time. And then you're using products that are working for your skin specific needs. So again, make sure that when you're shopping, I would recommend not going in those stores at all. Buy makeup, that's fine. But, there's just so many products out there, so much information, and most of the time what you're buying is not going to help your skin. So sorry today was a little bit longer than I wanted, but I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Don't forget to send in more questions, Samantha@skindeepil.com. And tomorrow we're going to start a new week because tomorrow's Monday. So next week is going to be self-care. So if you have any self-care questions related to the skin, send them to me and I'll be happy to share that with you starting tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Sunday and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.